I'm Mike with Fuse in our office here and would like to talk about a few things that you might expect because many holidays are coming, like Thanksgiving, Christmas and so on, and most likely many would want to put some decorations outside, some things that light up, maybe a lot, maybe a little. We have all little kids running around, sometimes there might be rain and so on, and it might be dangerous. For example, if the water goes into those electrical equipment stuff, or someone trips the wire and so on, so it could be dangerous if you're not doing it properly. This is one of the examples. You see what we've done here as a test. There is no outlet on the outside, so we took the extension cord and we plugged into this outlet. I mean, it's grounded, but in your case, many in your home are not grounded. So if you do something like this and the water gets inside your extension cord, it's gonna short the outlet. It might go even to your breaker panel and damage lots of the equipment. So this is something that is super dangerous. The reason I'm telling you is we can come and install you the proper outlet outside and just save you so many things. You can spend a few $100s, put the outlet outside and have a peace of mind where you don't need to deal with something like this, which is a danger to, you can put the whole house on fire. If you go out and have all those decorations in your house, come back, there is a problem because of the rain or anything else. That good. So, good advice before the season starts, although it's very close, take care of something like this, do some checks, call us, we can come out immediately, install you as many outlets and as you need on the outside. We'll make sure those are grounded and do all the safety inspections so you don't have any surprises to expect. So please reach us online or call us, and we'll be happy to help you with all your electrical needs. Other than that, we also do the HVAC, we do water heaters, we do solar panels, whatever you need, we're there for you always. Thank you.